Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your drill press switch. Mine stopped working, the toggle stopped, and this is a central machinery 5-speed bench drill press. The replacement switch I got looks like this. 4-pin. Should match right up. The tools you're gonna need are gonna be a little dremel tool, couple of screwdrivers, pliers, flathead. Flathead only for the switch, and I'll show you why. Why you would need the flathead is to pry off this cover, because as you can see that's too wide for that. But let me show you what you need to do. Zoom in here. So start by removing the switch cover here, and that one's stripped. Set that off to the side. Carefully get that out. And this is why you're gonna need the dremel tool, because if you can see closely, let's zoom you out. If you can see closely, the little edge here needs to be so let's grab the blades. Put you in there. Clamp you tight. Oh shit. Just clamp you okay. And then let's see, after you clamp you upside down, always wear your safety goggles. You're just gonna wanna remove just a hair of this. Almost there. Getting closer. close. Getting closer. Let's see. That should be good enough. So, when you get that done, let's zoom you up here. When you get the plate done, give it a nice buff. Let me grab my file. For this, you could use either a metal file or wood file. Wood file is rougher, removes material faster. Oh dear. Clean up the edges, both sides, even the edge here. And then the switch that you got should hopefully look like this if you got one of these machines and your switch is broken. Pop you in there. You're gonna fit today. Should be just like so. It'll seem like it wants to slide around a little more than it should. And then if you want, you can cut these off. I don't recommend it, but you want the waterproof switch cover, you cut those off and it should fit. You might need to super glue the edge, so let me grab some of that. Always keep some super glue around in your shop. You never know when you need it. So after you got that done, then you pop a little super glue around the edge here. Make sure not to get it on the switch. Come on. Pop in both sides. Give little down here, little in the corner there. Should hit here within a minute. If not, repeat that process. And good, I put it right orientation. Then what you might need the pliers for is removing the terminal here. Yikes. So let's do that. So they go back exact. So this is facing like this. Should be just like so. You see where those two terminals. Also make sure you got it unplugged before you start screwing around with it. But these two terminals are these two, the middle are these two, and then if you got 6 total, 2 extra, you won't need those, but make sure you got a switch with 4 terminals. Then you just simply wiggle those off like so. Pop them right back on. Like so. That there. Like so. And you can keep this if yours is not looking like this, but just discard that. And then time to mount it back in. Careful, push your wires back in. Probably a good idea to, if they're, grab your screwdriver and then pop it back into place. Come on. Nothing but problems with this. Well, oh yeah. There we go. Got some nice ratcheting screwdrivers. Oh, it's nice. And you find your other screw. Make sure they're nice and snug. Oh crap. That's kind of here. And then just put a little more glue in there. Now it shouldn't matter, just make sure none get on the contacts there. And then now, moment of truth, time to test. Does the crap blow up? Oh, and then let me turn this off. Don't know if you see that, but that, oh, how convenient. There, it's closing both positions. And that will conclude how to fix your drill press's broken switch. Like, subscribe, all that malarkey. See you in the next video.